Hey everybody, Pastor Steve here. Just wanted to record a quick, I guess we'll call it thought of the day. There is a tendency in the West to think of the church in terms of the building, almost sometimes strictly in terms of the building. So church is Sunday, and church is what happens in the building, and not see the church as the people. That's a common. I think that's a common mistake that we make and we reinforce in various ways. I'm going to read a couple scriptures because what I want to emphasize today is that the church is not closed. So the Armitage Baptist Church building is closed because of COVID-19. And although I'm here, as you can see, I'm going to record my sermon today for the broadcast on Sunday. But the building is closed, but the church is not closed. I've been hearing really wonderful, fantastic reports from Chicago Hope, from Bible study leaders, from various people in our church. They're checking on their neighbors. They're checking on their Bible study people. They're praying each other. They're praying together over the phone. They are calling each other. They're texting each other. They're emailing each other. And of course, watching together like the Sunday broadcasts. The church is ministering. The church is ministering in all its various ways. So here's a couple passages. There's Acts 2:42 through 47. They, the people who had come to Christ, devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and to the fellowship, to the breaking of bread and to prayer. Everyone was filled with awe at the many wonders and signs performed by the apostles. All the believers were together and had everything in common. They sold property and possessions to give to anyone who had need. Every day, not just Sunday, Monday through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they continued to meet together in the temple courts. They broke bread in their homes and ate together with glad and sincere hearts, praising God and enjoying the favor of all the people. And the Lord added to their number daily those who were being saved. Here's another passage, Acts 20, verse 20. Paul is talking to the Ephesian elders, and he says, "You know that I've not hesitated to preach anything that will be helpful to you, but have taught you publicly and from house to house." Now, in both those passages, there's no church building. The closest you get is the temple in Jerusalem where the believers would meet on Saturday or maybe Sunday. But you hear a lot of house to house, day to day kind of ministry there, because when a person's born again, God gives you a spiritual gift. And that gift is used to build up the body, to reach the lost, to equip the saints. And church can happen anytime, anywhere, every day. So I want to encourage you, when you support your church by your actions, when you support your church by your giving, when you support your church by your prayers, you're supporting the mission of the church, not just the Sunday program. That was a super encouraging thought to me. I've been super encouraged by our leaders this week, and I hope that encourages you. God bless.